Oh, we've got a small swarm. Actually, we can leave them in that. So bring that box closer to here.
That's a dead tree, right?
Yep.
Can you cut it with those friskas?
Is it a dead tree?
Yeah, it's dead. It's got some suckers on it, but that's no big deal.
So
Well, then if we cut it,
here.
yeah, then we can shake them right in, and then that's it.
Actually, you walk it across and junk it into there.
Yeah.
I can get it. Right here.
Those friskas is what I'm thinking. Cut it here.
Yeah.
And this is, just looking at this.
We'll take that right off first. Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Here, Craig. Come here. What do you want to cut first?
Up top.
Cut this off probably here. This one, and then off up top. Oh, can you get her up here, Craig?
It's dead. It's really cool.
Oop.
What's your back?
Up probably here. This one, and then off up top. Oh, can you get her up here, Craig?
It's dead. It's really cool.
Oop.
What's your back?
There you go.
Are we gonna be able to? Yeah, maybe that.
Yeah, go right to the heart, Tony. Go right as deep as you can.
That's a good idea.
Yep.
Okay.
Here, let's see him, Tony, and then whoever wants to hold on to that, just hold this. Just bend it over that way a little bit. Okay, you're just there. You are. One more chop there. There.
Oop. Put it right over that box. Don't shake it if you can. And then maybe what we can do is just walk it out.
There's one other.
Oh, there's one other branch.
Just a little guy.
Little guy.
Can you shake it right in there?
Well, let's not. We'll bring it right to the box if we can walk through.
Or would it be easier to bring the box here?
No, because then they'll orientate.
So just carry this right back?
Yeah, but I don't think you're getting through there.
No. Can I go maybe back this way without losing too long?
Yeah.
You need people to keep your way clear for you.
Here, you want me to get ahead of you?
Yeah, maybe.
How's that?
Yeah, that'll work. Take a few more of these frames out.
Yep. That'll do it. All right, shake away. Okay, start putting frames in.
I'll grab some more.
See if they fan.
Leave that here for now.
Yep.
Yeah.
There you go. Good.
Got 10 frames in there. Yep.
That's a mobbing.
Yep.
Bingo. Got him. So
Yeah.
we have that.
Oh, yeah.
Calling the girls home. That's good.
You got a gap in the back. You're trying
Oh,
to
do
fix
you?
that main
Oh, yeah.
tube.
Put some background or something.
Yeah.